Zamalek fans, no, I'm buifu. Now, this is the first time in the history of Zamalek. Say supporters a copper commercial black. In fact, Zamalek is white than we anyway. This is a serious statement. Zamalek support Zamalek and Kasano almost a white knight, almost share white top and 2 red lines for her. That's Zamalek for you. Now,
sports.
And the Zamalek fans, the almost copper, almost all trust, almost supported this is what they were. Nemum, almost supporters, no. Now, a section of the supporters, we won't call for no ultras, as 30 Eshewe, in protest to Mutada Mansour, the president of the club. Sir, baby, a club no ejina sisiano, and nimguasia yakan, yan sorry, club no ebegu. Who do you a president? 12 years now. Wakwaba, this is the 4th time, but club the area.
Yes.
And for the first time in the history of Zamalek, one was on your supporters, a section of the supporters, vociferous, decided said there be. Yanye Sade and Chere Papana, Obegu Yetim Namae. Now, Papa no so reply, or see, Zamalek, Esher white, red dominant tea. Or see, Zamalek wears white with 2 red lines. Said a 70-year-old who is controversial, blah blah. Egyptian football, being interested in it. Now, the opposite just what does it say? Zamalek Eshe white and red lines. 2. Seban says subsequent matches. Some decide black way bar. Obema ya ban yomo from Zamalek matches.
Born in Kuya, Mono, Echo, Madrin, almost on the black win, but
so no crowd prison 1 month. Or did he Mahmoud Khatib, El Khatib of Ali president, no, or didn't attempt to obey her. But also, to early money supporters. Yesterday's game against Ceramica Cleopatra, almost 1-0. Support doesn't go ahead the same thing.
Oh, okay.
Almost 30 against Mirek 4-3 loss, no, 4-3 win. Sorry, Cairo, no, and almost I say, and almost now you see, you need to understand the Zamalek fans, the ultras, no, don't blame them. Zamalek a top club in
SOMPA
Egypt. Zamalek by 2002, look, Zamalek yet Obekase Ali 82 won their first cup by beating Asante Kotoko. 84 Zamalek share Shooting Stars EG of Nigeria EG Cup. 86 Zamalek won against African Sports. Zamalek's 3rd title was in 1993. A famous 93 team Asante Kotoko. A Kotoko team that goalkeeper Antonio Sekwajo, you talk about Yausu, Kofi Owusu, Obeka Frank Amankwa, you talk about Ajimandria Jingo, top class defender, Frimpong Manso, Emmanuel Ampia, great players. In midfield, Alex Nyako, Obeka about Oli Rahman, Seydou Yusuf, you talk about Joe Autry and King George Atta, Ahmed Mahmoud, great team.
SOMPA Sports.
But unfortunately, Kotoko lost on penalties by 7-6. Zamalek, Eba, 1996. SNB winning. If I didn't mention Shooting Stars again, I must do that twice. By 2002, Zamalek winning the 5th trophy, against Raja Casablanca. Now Ali were 3. So get where the supporters are coming from. In 2002, Zamalek was the most successful club ever Egypt. Nanya Ali. Zamalek share Raja 2002 no. Now Ali were 3. Because Ali had then beaten Hilal after one share Kotoko I'm not Kotoko finals 83. Ali lost. And then 87 one share Hilal. And then 2001 Jose Manuel Jesus Ebechi 3rd title after beating Mamelodi Sundowns by 4 goals. Now from that time, Zamalek had that from 2002. Ali had an emergence top team from 2005. So 2002, Zamalek 3, Zamalek 5, Ali 2 in terms of the CAF Champions League.
Yes.
So Zamalek are more successful than Ali in 2002. Ali put together a solid team from 2005 to 2008. I'm winning 4 CAF Champions League final and lost 1. They had a consistent team. Okay, goalkeeper Shenawi.
Yeah.
Brilliant. But now Hadari and Ane Ewo number 1. Ekram, Sheriff Ekram.
Yeah.
Then they have not Ahmed Shenawi, they have Sadiq Shenawi. He was the third choice goalkeeper.
Yes.
But now Obia Nimse Hadari. You have Islam Slater at the right back, Ahmed Side left back, Ahmed Nehas and Wai Goma. That back four played from 2005. In fact, Wai Goma carried up to 2013. But that back four up to 2008. Then you had Hossam Mustafa and Fashoki Mohammed every Middlesbrough about back to come and play in that midfield.
Mohamed Shoki.
Yes, Mohamed
Another
Shoki.
fine
Top class box to box
Mohamed
midfielder.
Shoki.
Top class. Every Middlesbrough then came at that time. Then you had Gilberto, no, a left winger. Angola. Yes. Now the Bermuda Triangle. Mohamed Barakat, Abu Trika, Emad Moteb, and Osama Hosni. So they beat Etos Porto du Sahel in 2005-3. Chelsea Fasien. Now in 2006, almost Chelsea Fasien. Then came on 2 top players, Ahmed Hassan, the great Ahmed Hassan, Osama Hassan, brother Ahmed Hassan, who has also left Anderlecht. And you see, so you don't realize that Ali, a Basa FA players from top where and you have fantastic. And he a Basa no buy no and Anis Bujabaini, Tunisian top midfielder, as by and Armando Flavio, Ebekan, Gilberto, and then they won. Now 2007, you have Bertrand Merchant, French coacher, or put it together a top class team. I mean, they defended so well against Ali. I'm almost stop Ali in 2007. I mean, Sef Gazelle, Ahmed Freddy Redwan, Mehdi Mariani, Mehdi Traore. Yeah, Musanari was the one playing the DM. Only Mohamed Nakita played so well. And then, of course, Sadat Bukari came on in the second half. Amin Shemiti, Muritala, Ogumbi. They beat Ali by 3 goals with counter-attacking football. In 2008, Niniana Jose Manuel Jesus na coach. In 2008, Ali Koshe Cotton Sport Garua. Now, Washa, all this was Zamalek have been poor. Now, that generation of Ali players buried. But then they started a transition.
Sports.
And 2012, Ali then came and beat Esperance de Tunis by 3 goals to 2. By that time, no, Ali transition has started peja. Eshraf Ekrami, goalkeeper, no, why he was even deputizing for Hadari in the national team. Why Goma Penaka? Now we have new guys coming. So Mohamed Nagib, Said Muawad, Abdul Fedil Shadil, and then Rami Rabia and Sad Samer were now emerging. Rami Rabia no born. He was there from 2012. Omoba. So they here. Now Hossam Gali, every Tottenham Hotspurs, eba back to Ali.
Another fine player on Zunyeni Suban Carbon baby of a bird, no. Bauni has said a cook on a name.
Ojinudi, Ozamed Midu, Ojinus on the Bonobo. And Tianya coach and Chen Bibia. And then you have Abdallah El Said, one of the finest intelligent attacking midfielders and number 10s Egypt has had. Then came Gedo. So guys Super Sub 2010 AFCON.
Yes.
Thank you.
Mohamed Gedo.
Yeah. So 2013 Omokoshia. Unfortunately, I can't Orlando Pirates because of Senzo Meyiwa. I mean, one of the finest goalkeepers South Africa has produced.
Senzo Meyiwa. The late Senzo Meyiwa.
Yes. He did so well in that game, but they won. Now, Antiochia, Omar Keche, then, fortunately for them, then came Nansenya 2019. Omanya, a top manager in Christian Gross. Oh, yes, Swiss, top manager. Christian Gross has managed Tottenham Hospital, managed Shaka 04, and VFB Stuttgart. Top manager. Fortunately for you, top manager has started building a solid team. And Abu Gabal now became a top goalkeeper. I nekrano we shana with you are. After go or die when shana with your injury.
Yes.
Then you had Hamdi Nages, who was playing right back for the Tunisian national team, Carthage Girls. Solid. Abdul Shafi, excellent. Mahmoud Hamdi, top and intelligent pair. Both the national team, we Ahmed Hegazi before the emergence Mohamed Abdul Munema. Now these two were pairing for the national team. That's compact. You have Tarek Amin. In fact, over the last 20 years, they've never been a defensive midfielder better than Tariq Hamid. And Fejani Sassi, he is the controller. Now, Omar Kofana from Mets and a buy. And this coach put together this team. Ashraf Ben Shaki Akoji Champions League against Ali 2017 for Wak Abba. Top class left winger. And then you have Mohamed Unajem on the right. Ahmed El Said Zico playing behind Mohamed Mustafa. Top team.
SOMPA Sports.
You have Ibrahim Hassan, who is a defensive midfielder cover for Tariq Ahmed. You have Mohamed Ibrahim, who is a second striker. Solid team. Omar Salah, Hamid Ahadad, Omuji, Confederation Cup against RSB Bekani. Now, after that, you expect Sir Mutada retain the coach, non to Ejumanoso. One year earlier, Onya Jose Manuel, after winning 2001, or Samba, or try up to 2008, edge 3 Champions League, Eluzi final back.
SOMPA Sports.
One, after winning the Confederation Cup, Gross told that Ejumaya no me here 80%, 100% sorry increment.
Yeah.
Also man 30%. Share since 2002, Unji Continental Trophy Obia Bejia Mao 2019. See there be this is what you do. I say no problem. I will leave. Nana, you were fortunate to have Patrice Catron.
Another fine coach in Africa.
Patrice Catron, 2015 against USM Algiers. A team that may consider most like the Ghanaian team, because I mean, not only did Yao Frimpong play 2 back, Kisi Watkins also play, so 2 and 3 were more like us. The reason why I'm interested was because now Jean Kazusula about 3 no bench.
Yeah.
And Kisi, but then you have Salif Koulibaly and Horoya, and then Joel Kemwaki, Nathan Sinkala, Rainford Master, Maestro Kalaba, Boubacar Diarra was playing in front of them, and then you have Bwana Ali Samata, Roger Aseli, Solomon Asante came from the many ages. Solid team. Share USM more just by 4 goals to 1. By a team no more. The first assignment for this man was after Christian Gross a winning cup no, and na Omoko CAF Super Cup Okata against an Esperance team led by Moan Shabani, the coach. But now Omo Luzi Youssef Sebalimu because Francomo they decided to move on, but the team was solid. So that match na Kwame Bonso Conte, I mean that was his major game for Esperance. Yes. Now Onini Fuseni Koulibaly was constant there, and he Berum Dani they play in the midfield. And na Papai that time when him say Esperance after they won the 2020 back-to-back cup champion, they were dread side. Zamalek won by 3 goals to 1. And in fact, they beat Esperance again in the quarterfinals of the Champions League. Now, also because of players bear 4 issues. Mahmoud Karaba Pesoko, Tariq Hamid Pesoko, Omanya office. The coach said, "Look, let's negotiate and keep these players." Okay, after 10 months, the reason why the supporters are getting angry, no say, who said team no? You had this wonderful team. I've heard Abu, and I have to speak now. Hamdi Nages on the team no, Abu Gabaski on the Mahmoud Allah on the Tariq Hamid on the Fejani Sassi on the Ashraf Ben Shaki on the Mohamed Mustafa on the Mahmoud Karaba on the Omar Salah on the Hamid Ahadad on the. You've wiped up the whole team, so because of
top players.
What decisions? From 2019 till now, Christian Gross caught. Patrice Catron about twice, 1 year and 10 months or caught. Milutin Sredojevic,
okay. Former Uganda.
Yes,
Uganda coach now, no, the Uganda Tete Ghana baby. Milutin Michu.
Oh no. Jesuado Ferreira about twice, echo. And then Juan Carlos Osorio. So 8 coaches in 3 years. How will you be able to win something for? Now you have average players today. And then maybe Mahmoud Hamdi Kakrefriwa. Omo no and Abdul Shafi Bawoni. So Ahmed Fetu now start ahead of him. Omo any exceptional quality if you compare to what Ali has. And no nama supporters no air display black shirts are contrary to no. What they are doing is to show Omo Engamu that this is not the Zamalek. And then Ali was 10 Champions League. By the time I no more 5, no, now Ali was 3. It means that but this is the 4th time we are president of the club. So they expect that with all your experience as Obi Awai the most about the number of years or 10 at Obiano, you should know better and then put Zamalek at the right place. And then if you look on the league table of the Egyptian league, Ali about 24 matches, they have 53 points. Future FC in the Tosu, Pyramid Tosu, yes, sir. Zamalek about more matches than 3 matches than Ali, 40.
Our form cry.
So Abu, that is the reason why they are so upset and they are angry that never again should you run this club. And they say almost free prison bar, they will call for an election. Send a bill if you want to get somebody. Now